Hey guys, here is another question. We need to find the maximum value of this function, that is this matrix over here. And for this matrix, we are going to be using some matrix operations. That is over here, we are going to be using column sum operations. So here, if you look, we have sine square x 1 plus cos square x 1 plus sine square x cos square x sine square x cos square x in these two equations. So what we do is we take this and add it to the left hand side, that is c1 becomes c1 plus c2. So sine square x plus 1 plus sine square x becomes 2. 1 plus sine square x plus cos square x becomes 2 again, and sine square x plus cos square x becomes 1. And now we have this matrix over here. Then what we do is we subtract the two rows over here, that is to make this term over here to be equal to 0. So we have these two terms 0, and the only way we get it is by solving for this term, that is minus 1 over here times 2 into 2 sine 2x minus 1 into cos 2x. So cos 2x minus 2 sin x, and the maximum value of this function will be root 5. Thank you.